Hello and welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make Nimbu Masala soda. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. We will take sugar, 3 tablespoons. You can also use powdered sugar or sugar syrup over here. Lemon juice, 3 tablespoons. Cumin powder or Jeera powder, 1/3 tablespoon. Chaat Masala powder, 1/3 tablespoon. Mix it well so that the sugar dissolves in it. Now we will add some ice cubes. Adding soda to it. I have used full 1 can of soda. Slowly add soda so that it settles down well. Our Nimbu Masala soda is ready to serve, decorating it with lemon slice. It's a spicy and refreshing drink. Nimbu Masala soda is a very common drink served in all parts of India. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching.